Let us come to today's topic: transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Students, tell me, have you ever seen through the bus window? Yes. When light waves strike on objects, some of the waves are absorbed by the object, some are reflected by it, and some might pass through it. What happens to light when it strikes the objects depend on the material that object is made of. Let us come to transparent objects. Transparent objects, materials like air, water and glass are called transparent objects. When light encounters transparent materials, almost all of it passes directly through them. And glass, for example, is transparent material which is easily visible to our eyes. And the light does not pass directly through the materials. When light passes strike through a material, that material is transparent. Transparent materials you can see completely through. So I am going to take one glass bowl which is filled with water. Yes. Students, can you able to see this? Yes. I am going to demonstrate this one. I am taking one light. I am going to put on the light through this water. What will happen? Yes, you can able to see this one. Yes, which is transparent material. Glass bowl which is filled with water, and I'm gonna on my. See students, yes, it's a glass which is filled with water which is transparent material, example. And next one, translucent objects. Translucent objects, materials scatter light as it passes through them. You cannot be seen through the translucent material, but light will pass through them. Translucent materials, that is, allow some of the light to pass through them, but it is scattered in form. In translucent material, only the shape or outline of the object can be seen. Objects look blurry. Okay, objects look blurry. I'm gonna take one bowl of oil. See students, this is a vegetable oil. Yes, I'm gonna show it. You can see, ma. Can you able to see? No. Yes, you can see the object, but which is blurry image. Yes, which is blurry image. This is the one example for translucent object, and another example is leaf. Leaf. Can you able to see my finger? Yes, you can see my finger, but in a blurry vision. Yes, but in a blurry vision, poor vision. And again, I am going to show one of the paper soaked in water. So you can see the torch light. No, yes, it is blurry in vision. And next one,